Namaste everyone. It's important to master Chakrasana before attempting Urdhva Dhanurasana Drop back. I have a full video on Chakrasana techniques with the preparatory poses. So please go through that video. I'll put the link in the description box below and the right side of the screen. Alright, so let's take one arm away from the wall. Keeping legs apart, I like to keep it slightly wider than my hips. Hands on the hips. Feet are firm. Look forward. Bend the knees and use your hand to push the hip forward. Lift the chest up. Keep looking straight. That's one round. Exhale and release. Okay, second round. This time we want to look back also. So bend the knees, pushing hips a little more forward if you can, and move the chin away from the body. See if you can see your back wall. And back to center. This time we want to do the same thing and move arms back. So adjust your hips, feet are firm, looking back and move hands on the wall. Now initially you can choose to stay there and few seconds you can release the posture. If you start finding that easy, we want to start walking hands down. Slowly with breath, walking hands down. And now I want to move my legs a little more back and push chest close to wall. Attempting to move chest on the wall. Chin close to wall. Continue breathing. Try and stay for 3 to 5 breaths. Coming out of the posture, walking legs forward slightly and start to walk your hands back up on the wall. Coming back to center, release your head only when your spine is upright. Alright, we want to do the same thing without the wall now. So check your feet slightly wider than the hips. Bring palms on the chest, pushing hips forward and continue moving your chest backwards. And once you're steady, we are dropping hands down, walking legs closer to hand. Walking hands slightly back to bring wrist and shoulder in one line. Now you can choose to stay here if you have enough flexibility. We want to walk hands a little more closer to feet. So with the breath, see if you can do that. And now start to shift the weight on your feet. I like to bring one hand on the chest first and the other hand back on the chest and coming back upright. So let's try doing that one more time, shall we? Adjusting hips, maybe use your hands to push it forward. Hands on the chest, slowly look back and very slowly dropping hands on the floor. Urdhva Dhanurasana has slightly shorter stance than Chakrasana. Hence, it's important to walk hands slightly more closer towards your feet. At least try and have your wrist and shoulder in one straight line. And if you find that's okay, you can try walking hands even more closer to feet. And while doing this, keep shifting body weight more on your feet. Slowly move one hand on the chest and slowly the other hand on the chest. And with control, we are coming back upright. I hope you find this helpful. I will see you in the next video. Take care.